Deer, Birds, and Squirrels. Filmed in the Missouri Ozarks. Responsible stewards of the land feed wildlife every day. Except during hunting seasons. Songbirds of many kinds benefit from the food scattered by the steward.
Wild onions!
Yes, squirrels can benefit from the added nutrients and fats from the grains as well.
Deer like to feed, too. Woodpeckers, just like bugs.
Yes, woodpeckers keep pest insects down on nut-bearing trees that benefit deer and squirrels.
Deer are very peaceful to watch.
The whitetail deer is a prey species valued by mountain lions, coyotes, bobcats, black bears, and even people for their sustenance.
And deer taste good, too.
We're not hunting now, though.
Only with a camera.
They are magnificent animals.
But tasty, too.
Deer are beautiful to eat.
Yes, deer are pretty. Good tasting.
There's plenty to buy in stores, so people don't need to hunt.
Some people love their independence.
There are scientific reasons for hunting seasons.
That's why we can't legally hunt at night.
Right, because of a fair chase.
Ooh, nice owl sound effect.
That is nice.
It's a real owl, too.
That's even better.
That's a real sunrise, too.
And those are cardinals eating the grain now.
The female is brown with a black mask.
Male cardinals are red with a black mask.
I need to record those crows in the woods today.
Nice sound.
Enter the squirrels.
Wait, is that squirrel in the leaves the hand-raised orphan?
Yeah, I believe it is.
Her entire family killed in a storm except her.
Great story.
A woman took her home, bottle-fed her nuts.
Some women make good squirrels.
Then she trained the squirrel to be wild again.
And one day she returned with her friends. It's an amazing story.
Yes, it is amazing.
This is some great crow call audio I'm getting.
Oh, wait. So that's a gray squirrel?
No, that one is a hybrid between a fox squirrel and a gray squirrel.
Now that's amazing.
Yes, I found a DNA study on squirrels proving they do crossbreed.
Because their breeding seasons overlap?
Yes, that's right.
Do they make good pets?
No, the woman who raised her said that the squirrel went back to being wild pretty quickly.
So, purely wild creatures.
Yes. Plus it's illegal to keep them as pets.
Well, they are meant to be wild. She
Yeah.
appears to be her own squirrel. Yeah,
Deer rummage around in the leaves for nuts.
and squirrels bury them for later on in the winter.
Deer and squirrels get along just fine.
If only humans could learn from them.
Some birds eat nuts too.
They all seem to work cooperatively.
New trees get started thanks to squirrels burying their nuts.
Yeah, that's a pretty excited squirrel. But nature's designed a wonderful system.
The creator did well.
Are those birds singing?
No, those are tree frogs.
They're normally out in the winter?
It's a warm day, so yeah, they're out.
Don't they sing before a rainstorm?
Yeah, they'll sing loudly before rain comes. She's got to hear us talking, but just doesn't care.
Looks like the squirrel wants to say hi.
I'll try to swing the camera over without getting us in the shot.
Hey, Rick, try to swing the camera over without getting us. It looks like she's gone.
Well, so are we, I guess.
Cool, because we're taking our time.
Love the treetops.
Twirling?
Yeah, getting those shots for Stevie Nicks fans.
I never did get into twirling on stage.
I guess it's neat to do with treetops.
Well, that was fun.
Better than sitting at home.
I don't know, I like my recliner.
I like my office chair.
I've been gone so long, so far from my home. Can't wait to get to you and show you that my love is true. Listen for that phone ringing, all the love it could be bringing. So don't you worry, baby, your soldier's coming home. I think of you, I wonder if you're looking too. The last time, girl, that I saw you, the baby, he was only 2. You know how much I love you, I can't wait to get back to you. So don't you worry, baby, your soldier's coming home. I've been gone so long, so far from my home. Can't wait to get to you and show you that my love is true. Don't you worry about who's a-calling, 'cause your loving man, he just ain't falling. So don't you worry, baby, your soldier's coming home. I'm coming home. Wait. Yeah.
Yeah,
Rocking
yeah, hee-haw,
chair.
hee-haw.
I don't need your rocking chair.
J Studio LLC near Richland, Missouri.